news. APC crisis. Enugu APC had already started fighting themselves over there. If they like, let them starve themselves to death. We don't care. After all, they've done enough to us. APC are now fighting each other. Former Speaker, ex-governor, 39 others expelled. Hey. The All Progressive Congress APC in Enugu State has announced the expulsion of 41 members from the party. This is following their alleged violation of the provision of the party's constitution. Those affected include a former Speaker of the Enugu State House of Assembly, Honorable Eugene Odo, former military governor, Group Captain Joe Oji, a former deputy governorship candidate of the party in the state, Prince Chikwado Chukwuta, General J.O.G. Okoloagu, a former reps members Chukwemeka Ujam, and several others. Chairman of the APC Caretaker Committee in the state, Dr. Ben Nwoye, announced this when he addressed journalists on Sunday. Nwoye said the members self-expelled themselves from the party by filing a suit in court without first exhausting the internal mechanism as provided in the APC Constitution. Article 21D, Section V of the APC Constitution provides that any member who files an action in court of law against the party or any of its officers on any matters relating to the discharge of the duties of the party without first exhausting the avenues for the redress provided for in this constitution shall automatically stand expelled from the party on filing such action, and no appeal against expulsion as stipulated in the clause shall be entertained until the withdrawal of the action from court by the members. Daily Post learns that the party members drag Nwoye before a federal high court sitting in Abuja seeking its removal from office. In the result to FCTHC CV 217/2021, they had sought an expert order to stop Nwoye from parading himself as the chairman of the APC. However, the vacation judge, Justice Slavanus Chinedu Origi, refused to grant the interlocutory injunction. Instead, it ordered that the motion on notice and the entire case be assigned to a regular court at the end of the vacation for full determination of the matter. The judge held that the defendant's respondents shall be put on notice of the application for injunction. The order sought in the expert application number M3517/2021 are refused. Speaking on the development, Nwoye said 41 members who filed the suit and automatically expelled themselves from the party. According to him, I arrived at the home and I found a copy of lawsuit pasted on my door. Within that lawsuit is an order sought by the applicants but was denied by the court. One Prince Gilbert Chikwado Chukwunta and 40 others filed a claim against me. They sought an expert order before an FCT High Court seeking to remove me as the chairman of the party in Enugu. They sued me and alleged, among other things, that I was suspended by certain persons who they attached their signature, but the land jurist denied giving the order. He directed them to serve me, but instead of serving me as ordered by the court, they pasted it on my door. But what is important is that for those who said that Ben Nwoye has been removed, the removal of Ben Nwoye is now a subject of court, and the court has refused to remove me. I wasn't there, but the land judge refused to remove me. The other point is that the petition which they signed, they forged numerous people's signature. One of the people they forged their signature is Mrs. Kate Ofor. She never signed a petition seeking to remove me. We also had many other people claiming to be members of the state ESCO, and one of such persons are Eugene Odo. Enugu State APC is no longer running on SEC. It is a caretaker committee, so being a former speaker does not make Eugene Odo a member of APC caretaker committee. General J.O.J. Okolo Agu is also not a member of caretaker committee, so also the former member of the House, Honorable Chukwuemeka Ujam, who they allege signed, he has never been and is not a member of the state ESCO. We also have one Anayo Ene. We also have Group Captain Oji Dr. Miss Chukwani Hyacinth Osude are not member of APC caretaker committee. If indeed those individuals did not sign it, those who filed these suits have committed forgery. But if those individuals say that they actually signed it, they have committed fraud because they are not members of APC caretaker committee, and that includes Chikwado Chukunta. Recall that Chikwado Chukunta ran for deputy governor of Enugu State in 2019. After he lost, he went away. He never received a waiver before he ran, so resigned his position. And when ESCO was dissolved, Chikwado Chukunta was never sworn in as a member of APC caretaker committee. There are facts. Senator Ken Namani and others are hiding to be deceiving the public, having said that the status of my chairmanship is now before the court. No one can interfere in my chairmanship. The court has already ruled by denying them the attempt to remove me. The next thing is that they have all been expelled themselves from the party. They were deceived into dragging an office of the party to the court. All these individuals, by the operation of the constitution, have expelled themselves from the party because they did not exhaust the internal alternatives dispute resolution mechanism. Therefore, 41 persons and Chikwado Chukunta put up an affidavit that he has their consent to file the suit. All of them are now expelled from the party. KO, make una continue to the fight una waiting good for una now na dey get. So after all, when you people were busy enjoying yourself, you never involved us. So why are you guys trying to involve us now in your matter? You can keep all these to yourself. We don't really need it. After all, APC has already done enough. We don't need them again. Don't expect anything good to come out of APC. A party led by terrorists is a terrorist party. Okay, you can hear that already. So APC people should just try and go and sleep and stop creating nuisance in the whole state. You can hit the comment section and share your take on this article. Thanks for listening.